Hi, today in this short video, I'm gonna be walking through how to hide any apps and games in your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. To hide any apps, all you have to need, go to your phone settings. In your settings, scroll down and tap on home screen. Under home screen settings here, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find this option here, hide apps on home and app screens. Just tap on this option. And here you'll find all of your apps and games. Now, for example, I want to hide my YouTube app. So here's I'm just selecting YouTube. And here you can see YouTube app has been added in hidden app section. Now I'm tapping on done. Now, if I go back to my app screen, then we can't see the YouTube application. Let's tap on search apps. Let's type here YouTube. And as a search result, we can't see the YouTube app because YouTube app is now completely a hidden app. So that's how you can go ahead and easily hide apps and games in your Galaxy device. Thanks for watching.